Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson and I am a gift basket designer. Now, I am about to do this video because I want to get a little personal, okay? First and foremost, I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. I am truly grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And if you haven't already, if you can please like and subscribe to this video, I would truly appreciate it. Okay, now, if you can see, this is a balloon gift basket that I have created, okay? Now, what's so special about this balloon? Well, let me back it up a little bit. Now, if you are facing a hard time, you're going through hard times, you don't have a lot of money, I am here to tell you this works. Selling gift baskets, going to a corner and just selling gift baskets works, okay? So now we're coming up to Valentine's Day, you guys, and I just want to give you an idea about this balloon gift basket. This right here is a game changer. All right, now if you see, I also want to mention to you, if you don't have money, don't have a lot of money, that's okay. I need you to get into penny shopping, you guys. What you're looking at here with this gift basket is penny items. The flowers, penny. Most of the items in the gift basket is a penny. Now look right here, that candle, that big old candle right there, a penny. The bowl that I use for the gift basket is a penny. All right, let me tell you, you see that lemon decor in the back? A penny. Let me turn it around. You see that right there? That's a penny. Okay, now, if you want to charge $75 for this basket, that's your business. If you want to charge $100 for this basket, that's your business. If you want to charge $125 for this basket, that's your business. Oh, you don't believe me? I need you to go check out balloon gifts on Etsy, and you will see how much they are charging on Etsy for gift baskets, okay? Now, with that being said, they are selling just the balloon portion in a box. Tell me how much they charging. Okay, now listen to me. Now you're turning it into a gift basket just like this, using penny items. Penny items, you guys. Game changer. Game changer. Look how pretty. Look how elegant. Oh, wait. No, you do not need a Cricut machine. No, you do not need a silhouette. If you want words, you can order them on Amazon. Is it expensive? I'm not going to lie to you. Yes, it is. I highly recommend, if you can, to invest in a Cricut machine or a silhouette. Something where you can put whatever words that you choose to put on them. But if you don't have it, don't worry. You can't order them. You can go to Dollar Tree and get words like the little wall art stuff and put it on there and you won't even know. But I do highly recommend that you do invest in a Cricut machine or a silhouette to make it more elegant, to make it look more expensive, okay? Penny items, you guys. No joke. And I just simply threw in, to make it look a little pricey, I threw in Bath and Body Works products, which was a couple of dollars. You get them on sale. Like right now, they got the Bath and Body Works sale going on, you guys. So I need y'all to go and check that out. And see the little candy in there? $1 from, $1.25 from Dollar Tree. Okay, so some, depending on where you live at, where you're at, they sell them at Dollar Tree. But look how elegant, look how expensive this basket looks. Penny items, you guys. Penny items, you guys. I am no joke. Valentine is coming up. Hey, y'all need, I'm just throwing it out there to you. Big shout out to Miss Felicia with Birth and Bosses with Felicia. Man, I am truly grateful. Truly grateful. Not just for that shout out, but woman, you changed my life. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't even be into this. No. And I will tell y'all my story later on, but right now I just wanted to share with you what you can do with penny items. I am going to show you step by step how to make and create it, how to make it look elegant, everything, how to close it up like this, okay? In my future videos, I will give you the good, the bad, and the ugly of these baskets, because there's pros and cons to almost everything. So I will keep it real with you. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.